Hello and welcome to RSS classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on general intelligence. General intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it only requires your numerical skills with respect to some reasoning skills. So first of all, here we are given some alphabetical series, and then one question from numerical series, and then some question based on simple reasoning. Okay, so first to start with the first question. Here we are given some cluster of alphabets and we need to find the question marked cluster based on a pattern inherent in this given cluster of alphabets. Okay. So first of all, we only write the first alphabet of each cluster. E, G, I, K, M. In the next line, we only have L. Sorry. Here we have question mark. Then we have I. Then we have FH, F, H, J, N, and lastly we have A only. Therefore, we need to find the alphabets in the fourth position. So first of all, we write the numbers corresponding to each alphabet in the alphabetical series. The number corresponding to E is 5, number corresponding to G is 7, the number corresponding to I is 9, and lastly 13. Here we only have L, therefore we can say that in the fourth position we also have L. Now come to the third row. The number corresponding to F is 6, the number corresponding to H is 8, the number corresponding to J is 10, the number corresponding to N is 14. And in the fourth row we only have A's, therefore we can say that in the fourth position we also have A. Now as we can see, if we add 2 to the previous number, then we get the next one. Therefore in the fourth position we have 11, and the 11th alphabet is K, and if we add 2 with 11 we get 13. In here we also have the same pattern. Adding 2 will get our required answer, will help to get our required answer. Therefore in the fourth position we get 12, and the alphabet corresponding to 12 is L. Therefore our required combination or cluster is KLLA. Okay, now jump to the next one. Here we also arrange the clusters in the above way. So first of all, we only write the first alphabet in each cluster. So we write STU question mark W. Then we write CEG question mark K. Lastly DFH question mark L. Now we give numbers corresponding to each alphabet. So S is 19, T is 20, U is 21, and W is 23. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, and K is 11. D is 4, F is 6, H is 8, and lastly L is 12. So as we can see in the first row, if we add 1 with each of the number, then we get the next one. Therefore, in the second place we have number 22, and corresponding to 22, our required alphabet is V. In the second row, if we add 2 to each of the previous number, then we get the next one. Therefore, in the vacant place we get 9, and corresponding to 9, the required alphabet is I. And in the last row, if we add 2 with each of the numbers, then we get the next one. Therefore, in the vacant place we get 10, and corresponding to 10, we get the alphabet J. So our required answer is VIJ. So C is the correct answer. Now let's try the next question. We are given a number series of 15, 39, 74, 122, question mark 265. Okay. In this given number series, if we add 24 with 15, we get 39. If we add 35 with 39, we get 74. If we add 48 to 74, we get 122. Then if we add 63 with 122, we get 185. So required answer is 185. And how can we get this? As we can see that the difference in the next series, is 11, 13, 15. Therefore, corresponding to 15, we get 63, and then as answer we get 185. So here we get 80, and here we get 70. So our required answer is 185. Now let's try the next question. In the question given below, which one of the given responses would be a meaningful order of the following? So we have 5 words: destination, booking, boarding, travel, and planning. So we need to rearrange the word in a meaningful way. Words meaningful order are as follows. So first of all we get planning. First of all we do planning. Then we book tickets, therefore booking. Then we board, therefore boarding. Then we travel, and lastly we go to the destination. Finally we go to the destination, therefore the right arrangement is 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Therefore the correct answer is 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now let's solve the last question. Select the missing number from the given response. As we can see, we are given some numbers and there is a question mark in that number, and we need to find that particular number based on some pattern. So in the first row we have two numbers, we have three numbers actually. The first one is 3463 and the last one is 1245. If we subtract them, then we get 2218, which is the middle number. Therefore we already get the pattern. Therefore in this question mark position, if we subtract 5324 and 3626, we get as answer 1698. Therefore this is the correct answer. Hence option C is correct. Okay, so basically in the middle portion we have the difference between the numbers of the first position and the last position. So we have solved all of the 5 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about general intelligence and its concepts, its tips and tricks, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us. These are the contact details of ours. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.